Say man, yo, what is good, guys? Your boy Duco, and you already know we coming with you with a banger video, man. Before we get this started, I'll just say, just like, comment, subscribe, click the post notification bell for the YouTube algorithm, man. We going up, man. We just going up. If you're new to the if you're new to the channel, you know what I'm saying. If you gain anything from this video, entertainment-wise, knowledge, just if you even laughed a little bit, click the subscribe button down below and come be a part of the SNS gang, you feel me? Because this is a family, you feel me? But before we get to start off, you know what I'm saying, I got my favorite book on the desk, you know what I'm saying? Something Off by Virgil Abloh, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice book, you know. It's really durable, but we're not here for the book, you feel me? I just love this book. Like, this color of green is so amazing. But you already know what we're here for today, man. If you can tell by the title of the video, we're here for the Balenciaga Defenders, man. This video is going to be crazy, man. This is one of my favorite Balenciaga silhouettes to come out to date. You know what I'm saying? The runners, I love those too, but the Defenders is something just checks all the boxes on the weird for me, you feel me? But like I said, if you do gain anything from this video, click the like button, click the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying? Comment for the YouTube algorithm, turn post notification bells on, you know what I'm saying? Just so you can stay updated when I post. And as always, if you'd like to see how I style all these pieces on this channel, follow my IG at sns.duco. And with that being said, we finna get to it. Dig.
Here, hey, he's trying to touch you. He's trying. Yeah. He go hard like a drum.
Yeah. Bro, yes, bro.
On top of the
we have the Yeezy Season 300 right here.
So y'all, you see my shirt? This is Billionaire Boys Club. Alright, so here's the box, guys. You know what I'm saying? You got your Balenciaga box, and the Defenders did come in like a bigger box than the normal, than the runners, and I believe the expanders. I don't have the expanders yet, but they're coming soon. But they did come in like a different type of box, a bigger box. This box is huge, man. And you know what's crazy? I filmed this video yesterday, bro, but guess what? My freaking mic wasn't even hooked up, so you know what I mean? I'm kind of picky with the video, so I didn't like the sound quality. I like the in-body camera. I believe the mic just sounds way better, man. And I had to re-record it, basically. That's why I'm up early, you know what I'm saying, early Saturday morning, recording this video, trying to fit it into my schedule, because I had planned the whole thing yesterday, record a video, and bro, it just backfired on me. So I was kind of heated, but you know what I'm saying, when life throws you obstacles, you overachieve them, you feel me? But when you get into the box, you know what I'm saying, let me show y'all how it looks, you know what I'm saying, when you first open the box. Got your Balenciaga huge dust bag, you know what I'm saying. This one came with a Tonka dust bag, you feel me? The Yeet Tonka Stumpers with the Yeet Tonka Balenciaga dust bag. But as you can see right here, we got, let me put the shoes on the side. As you can see right here, we got this big giant Balenciaga dust bag at the moment. And hold on, guys, one sec, I forgot. Alright, those fans were kind of annoying me. I don't know if you can hear the fans in the background, but yeah, I had two fans running. They were kind of annoying me. But like I said, we do have our huge Balenciaga, you know what I'm saying? Not kind of like a nylon type-ish, you know, a woven nylon. I don't know if this is nylon or what, but kind of like that, you know, your gym bag. And I haven't used any of these bags I do have from Balenciaga. I'm not sure why, but when I do travel, I plan on putting them to good use, you feel me? And this pair of shoes did actually come with an extra pair of laces. That's why I'm excited. Like, yo, you know how triggered I was in my last Balenciaga vid that their runners didn't come with extra laces. Come on, Balenciaga, you knew what you were doing, triggering me like that. But yeah, they did come with a pair of extra laces. You know what I'm saying? Pretty nice, if I do say so myself. And yeah, man, I just walked in. You know what I'm saying? The way I picked these up, Houston Galleria. They just got them in the stores, and it was the last size left. So when I actually went inside to pick them up, it was the last size left. When I actually went inside, I wasn't even planning on buying anything. Like, I went there just to browse around, look, see if they had the Crocs in store, but I found out they archived those Crocs, man. Like, it was kind of like a limited time. But shout out my boy Gustavo, Houston Galleria, for helping me out. He was a big help. I did try on two pair of shoes. I tried on the Trooper boots, and I tried on the Defenders, that which I did end up copying and walking out with. But yeah, man, easy cop. I had to cop them also because it was kind of like a spare of the moment type of thing. Of it's either cop them now or cop them when they go up in price. Because guess what? These are set to go up in price. These did run me for about. I like to say like 1,100 something. Yeah, 1,100, almost 1,200. But it's worth it, man. Like, just look at the shoe. It's like so phenomenal to me, bro. This is, like I said, one of my favorite silhouettes of Balenciaga so far to date that they came out with. And overall, man, it's just like a freaky shoe. Like I said, checked all the boxes for me. But we did get the black colorway. This does come in 2 colorways at the moment. It comes in a black and it comes in the beige. We did end up picking up the black one. The beige one, I might, like, you know what I'm saying, I might decide to go pick it up in the near future, but anytime soon. Nah, I'm really like trying to go for the whole like dark aesthetic. You feel me? The Rick Demon. The whole Rick Demon aesthetic, man. But overall, this is my favorite shoe, you know what I'm saying? It has the upper of a like a Balenciaga expander, and then the bottom's just like tire, like a freaking tire, yo. Like Dema and Balenciaga at that, and then over there in the camp and the creative team, just crazy, man, coming with these weird ideas, and that's what I love about Balenciaga, man. Let's take more to inspire the shoe. But I am getting kind of parched, like, not gonna lie, I haven't drunk any water recently. Actually, I just drunk some water, but guess what? You already know what time of the video is, man. It's water break with Duco, man. So guess what? Grab your hydro flask, grab your canteen, grab your water bottle, whatever you got on hand, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you got some sweet tea, some Kool-Aid, you know what I'm saying? Just grab that up, and we finna drink, you know what I'm saying? Just gotta stay hydrated, man. Oh man, that water was amazing, bro. I feel like 10 times hydrated, man, after that sip. Like, let me get the other shoe out also. After that sip, like, these shoes are just amazing, yo. When I tell you, like, these shoes are like just like amazing. Like, imagine getting like stomped out in these, yo. You could legit play like any sport in these, I believe, and like just if you want to stomp somebody out, just like, you know what I'm saying, like get somebody the beats, bro. You can really do a person dirty in these, man. I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, this shoe also has the 44 on the toe box right here, and also the 44 on the back of the shoe. And like I said, the upper is an expander upper. The bottom is like tire, like bike tires, or either like kind of like the tractor. You know what I'm saying? How Balenciaga is going with the trooper boots. You know what I'm saying? Just a heavy duty bottom, man. And when you walk in these do not bend at all. It's kind of like an orthopedic feel. And I tried these on, and if I thought the runners were comfortable, these are super comfortable. Like, you wouldn't think a shoe that like was built like this or looked like this was comfortable, but yeah, these shoes are phenomenal fit. They do give you quite a bit of height, I ain't gonna lie. So if you short kings out there, you know, want to get some height, you know what I'm saying, go buy you some designers, you feel me? Designers always giving people like extra like 2 inches, no bull. If some Ricks, bro, even like 3-4 inches, I ain't gonna lie to you, the Ricks be coming like making me look like I'm a freaking Rick Demon. But yeah, man, not too much to say about the shoe in all specs. This is a 10 out of 10 in my book. Like I said, my favorite Balenciaga silhouette to date. These were actually first reviewed, I believe, on the Spring 22 show. And I think it was like a red carpet event. And I did see these like earlier too, like earlier last year. Or like, I think it's either earlier or late last year. I seen these on Instagram. I was just scrolling my For You page, and I was like, I gotta have them, man. But exponential shoe right here, if I do say so myself. But we're finna click to a try on, man. I might try these on either inside or outside. I don't know. We'll all decide. Whichever looks better, guys. But yeah, man, like I said, 10 out of 10 shoe. Finna get to the try on, man. So yeah, man, that was the on-feet review of these Balenciaga Defenders, man. Like I said, these are my favorite silhouette. I'll give these shoes a 10 out of 10 any day, man. And I just believe these shoes are going to be like a staple archive piece. Like this is a piece you got to hold on to forever. Like you don't want to give these up, you feel me? Because these are going to be archived soon. It's just like, mark my words, man, these are archive piece. This is basically like Dema showing like us another side of him. We know he could do crazy stuff, but who would have thought he would have put damn near a tire tracks on the bottom of a shoe, man. But as always, man, this review has been an epic success, man. For foremost, I'd like to say thank y'all for tuning in. If you're new, you know what I'm saying, please click the subscribe button down below. You feel it? Join the SNS family, man. We're going up all 2022, as you could tell, man. And if you want to see how I style these pieces I cop on this channel, go follow my IG at sns.duco, man. And with that being said, peace, love, stay dangerous, you know what I'm saying? And guess what? See you in the future.